Hi, this is John on behalf of Expert Village. In this video clip, I'll be talking about air compressor tank warnings. First off, you want to make sure that after you're done using your air compressor, you drain the tank. What this will do is it'll help prevent rust from forming inside of the tank due to the condensation. You want to make sure that you never make any modification or repairs to the tanks. You never want to drill into them or weld on them. Next, you want to make sure you never make any modifications to the pressure switch, the safety valve, or any other components that are going to control the pressure that are inside these tanks. Now, the stream of air coming out of our air compressor can cause soft tissue damage. So you want to make sure that you don't spray your clothes off, spray your skin off. In addition, there are little chunks of dirt and debris inside of these tanks, and if one of those chunks breaks free, it can go through the air hose and come out at a high rate of speed and could potentially penetrate your skin. You also want to make sure that you're wearing a good pair of Z87 approved safety glasses.